This video will be all about drawing accurate trend lines. Today, we'll go over the basics of creating valid trend lines on your charts. A trend line aims to connect two or more pivot points on a chart. Valid trend lines provide trade signals when the price interacts with the trend line. Here are some tips for constructing proper trend lines. First, identify at least two clear swing highs or lows to connect. The more price points you connect, the more valid the trend line. Use the most recent pivots first and work backwards in time. This creates forward-looking trend lines and gives the most potential touch points. Adjust the trend line to intersect with as many price swings as possible. The line should act as strong dynamic support or resistance. Wait for at least 3 touch points before acting on a trendline break. This confirms the validity of the trend line. Don't make the trend line too steep or too shallow. Find the right angle that connects the most price action. Follow these tips and you'll become proficient at constructing accurate, high-probability trend lines for trading. Look for touch points and breaks to enter with the trend. Alright traders, start drawing quality trend lines on your charts and trade the price action with confidence. This covers the essentials of creating valid trend lines. I'll see you in the next video.